Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI. If you have curly hair, then you have to check out this diffuser from Ulico. I didn't want to buy a whole diffuser blow dryer, and so this is a great option. It is a universal fit, and so it just adds on to your existing blow dryer that you have. And how it works is you simply turn this in the direction of the arrows, so it's going like this, and you just open it up, and as you can see, it fits all the way up to that size blow dryer, and then it snugly fits on and it does not come off. I like this a lot because it's an easy attachment to put on, and then when I'm done, I take it off my blow dryer, and I do have to store it away. I cannot keep this in my drawer with the blow dryer on, it just doesn't fit. It does a great job with my curls. It keeps them intact. It does not make my curls frizzy. I like the wide base of this. All of my hair can fit in here, and it is a really great addition to your products if you do have curly hair, but that's just my point of view.